Another shot? Is he going to give it another shot?
Yeah. Yeah.
If he gets past those ruts, man, then he's got it. Stay on the gas, dude. That's all the loose stuff.
No balls. You get that right there.
Right there. Oh man, he should have stayed on it.
4-cylinder's got no balls.
Come on, dude. Does he have any lockers or anything in there?
No. No. Completely solid.
He's digging out steps to make it easy.
It's like I had a Yoda fucking topple over one.
It's almost like right there he needs to cut way to the right line, but it gets sucked over.
Yeah.
Because of the fall line pulls him right over in there.
He went through the hardest part.
Yeah, right.
You know?
Right where he is now is the hardest.
If he would have had just like another 5 feet, he would have made it. Yeah.
He gets in that last rut on the left side there.